Hello student, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the theory base of accounting. Content is basis of accounting system. And today our learning objectives are to understand the concept and the method of basis of accounting system and the difference between the various method of accounting system. Now, understand the methods of the basis of accounting system. They are listed here three. Number one, cash basis accounting system. Number two, accrual basis accounting system. Number three, mixed basis accounting system. But generally, we use two method, cash and accrual. Mixed method is the combinations of the cash and accrual basis system. Now, try to understand the concept of cash basis accounting system. The cash basis accounting system generally records actual cash received and actual cash paid. Means the actual cash receipt and the payments are only recorded here. Credit transactions are not recorded here. The meaning of the credit transaction means the items which are receivable and payable are not to be recorded here. Now come to the accrual basis method. This is the next method, and now in this method indicates when any income or expenses occurred, and then it will be recorded in the same year. Either it may be received or receivable, paid or payable. So now the income whether received or not means receivable, but has been earned means occurred in the during a particular period. It will be recorded in the same year to calculate the total income of the particular period. And the same way the expenses will be considered. If the expenses has been paid or payable but has been occurred or means to be related with the period of one accounting period will be recorded here to calculate the total expenses of the one particular period, because the total income and the total expense helps to calculate the real profits. So in this method we can say the credit transaction as well as cash transactions both are recorded related with the one particular periods. So now mixed method. The mixed method indicate the combination of cash and accrual basis. Means the both methods are to be used by the organizations accordingly. And now the come to the differences between the cash and accrual basis. So many concepts are there to differentiate the both. Number one, recording of the transactions. In the cash basis system, only the cash transactions are recorded, means cash received or paid items are recorded. But in the accrual basis, cash and credit transactions both are recorded, means cash received or receivable as well as the cash paid and payable both are to be recorded here. Now, the next piece is the adjustments of the system, and now in the cash basis system no adjustments are to be taken the place, no adjustments are done, but the accrual basis system adjustments are recorded or accounted. And now the next basis is the profit and loss. In the cash basis system only the cash is recorded, that's why the real profit and real losses cannot be known. And now the accrual basis, both items are recorded, cash and credit, that's why the real profit and the real losses can be calculated and ascertained. And now the basis number next, technical knowledge. Technical knowledge what is referring to, for the cash basis system no special technical knowledge is required. But accrual basis the special technical knowledge means the accounting knowledge is required to maintain the transactions. And now legal positions. In the legal position cash basis system is not recognized legally, does not have any status here, not known to the company act as well as to the income tax authorities don't accept this system. And now the accrual basis system, it has the legal status, legal position, and it is to be considered by the company act as well as the income tax authorities consider this method. And now the suitability. This system is suitable for the non-profit organizations Non-profit organization refers to where the objective is service rendering and it is suitable for the professionals, hospitals, etc. And now the same is I'm moving to the accrual basis. Basis is the suitable for the profit organization where the physical goods are considered. It means for the business nature items it is suitable and it is to be done by the businessman. So now again I am referring just to listen about the cash basis system. Only the cash transactions are recorded. And the secondly, in no adjustments are done. And now can't show you the profit, real profit and the real losses. No technical expertization is required and it does not consist with any legal status and it is suitable for the non-profit organizations where the services sector is taking place. And now the accrual basis system considers the both the transactions are to be recorded like cash and credit and the second adjustments can be done and the real profit and losses can be calculated. Special technical knowledge is required. It consists with the legal status in the eyes of Company Act as well as to the income tax authorities. And next is the it is considered by the business sectors. So I think this will provide you the knowledge of the accounting based system. Thank you.